Good evening, everyone. It is January 18th, 2017. We are doing 16-17 Upper Deck Trilogy Hockey 2-box break number 13. So, before we open up the 2-box Trilogy, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams with the dice roller here. Here are the list of names. Here are the list of teams. Let's roll the dice. A 5 and a 4. That is 9 times. 9 times on the names first. So, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it was a 9, right? Yes. 9th and final time. Good luck. There it is. 9 times. Andrew at the top. Rick T at the bottom. All right, now 9 times on the teams. Here they are. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. Good luck. 9 times. Oilers at the top. Panthers at the bottom. So let's see who got what. So, Andrew with the Edmonton Oilers, as well as the Buffalo Sabres. Rick T with the Senators and Islanders. Andrew with the Carolina Hurricanes. Rick T with the Washington Capitals. Nat with the Columbus Blue Jackets. Rick T with the Wild, Red Wings, and Stars. Andrew with the Vancouver Canucks and the Philadelphia Flyers. Rick T with the Rangers and the Toronto Maple Leafs. There you go, Rick. With the New Jersey Devils. Andrew with the Avalanche and the Winnipeg Jets. There you go, Andrew. Alan with the St. Louis Blues. Andrew with the Sharks. Rick T with the Tampa Bay Lightning. Blues 00 with the Calgary Flames. Alan with the Arizona Coyotes. Nat with the Montreal Canadiens. Andrew with the Chicago Blackhawks. Corey P with the Anaheim Ducks. Andrew with the Boston Bruins. Corey P with the Nashville Predators. Blues 00 with the Pittsburgh Penguins. Rick T with the Kings and Panthers. So I'm going to pause the video, guys, to see if there's any trades. And when we come back, we'll open up 2 boxes of Trilogy Hockey, so stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here are the list of names and teams for Trilogy Hockey 2-box break number 13. Alright, guys, so there are 6 boxes remaining out of the inner case. Right here is box 1, 2, and 4. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I could actually just zoom it in here. So there's 1, 2, and 4. And right here is box 6, 8, and 10. So let's go to random.org to see which boxes are generated for this break. So if we generate any other number that is available, I'm just going to regenerate it until it pops up. So good luck, everyone. First box to be generated. Box 9. We do not have a 9, so we have to generate that again. 3. We don't have a 3. Let's generate that one more time. Box 5. No 5. 7. There is no 7. Oh, man, we might be here all day. 3. There is not a 3. All right, come on, random.org. 6. We do have a 6. Here it is. Kind of hard to see because of the coloring of the thing. But here's box 1 that we'll be doing for this break. So let's generate one more box. 1. There it is. That was much quicker. And box 1. So here it is. Box 1 and 6 for this break. These boxes are for future breaks. Trilogy number 14 is in store now, guys. If you guys want to get that one going after this one, JaspysHockeyLand.com. So let's do it. First box, we'll go box 1 since it is on the top. Alright, guys. So it's been a couple days, guys. I don't think we have done no Trilogy this week. Last Trilogy was on Friday, so good luck, everyone. Nice. Level 1 rookie premieres for the Philadelphia Flyers. That is Travis Kaneki. 382 of 999. Philadelphia Flyers. That is Andrew D. It's a blank. Next pack. Morgan Riley, John Tavares, Connor McDavid. And for the Boston Bruins, another level 1 rookie premiere. That's Dayton Heinen. 503 of 999. That card was numbered twice? Oh yeah, there is another stamp over here. Oh yeah, guys, that was an error, as you can see. That's pretty cool though. There's a stamping right here, thanks Brandon, and a stamping over here. I didn't even catch that. 2 stampings on the card, and it looks like it is 382 here and 382 over there. So that was kind of a machine problem. Card must have been backwards or something, and just stamped it wrong, and they're just like, yeah, we'll just stamp it again on the right side. That's a cool card to have, right? 2 stampings on the card. I'll take it. Corey Snyder, Jack Johnson. Nice. Jersey for the, what is it? Calgary Flames. Matthew Tkachuk jersey. Rookie Premier Level 1. 92 of 399. Calgary Flames. That is Blues 00. Remember Paxton Lynch didn't like you and Joe.
I know Paxton Lynch didn't like me. He was gonna
Remember that Paxton Lynch didn't like
us.
Yeah.
Jared Goff was cool. He threw us passes.
Pacioretty,
I did yell out.
Alex
Chargers.
Ovechkin, Evgeny Malkin, Ryan Kessler for the Ducks, 106 of 849 for the Anaheim Ducks, and that is Corey P, the football player. There you go. Next one. Jonathan Toews, Jaromir Jagr, Philip Forsberg, and nice, look at that for the San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski's signature on Tri-Patches Trilogy. Look at that. Sweet. San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski auto. San Jose Sharks. That is Andrew D. Nice. Alright, that's one of the autos. See where the other auto is at. Kopitar, Price, Brent Burns, Max Pacioretty. That is 234 of 849. Montreal Canadiens. Corey P. Oh no, Nat. That is Nat. Sorry about that, Corey. That was Nat's card with the Montreal Canadiens. Alright, second to last pack, guys. Good luck, everyone. Then we'll move on to box 2. Max Domi, Sid the Kid, Tyler Seguin. Nice, look at that patch. Premium patch, Dominic Hasek for the Buffalo Sabres. Look at that. Sorry, Andrew, I'm going to touch this right there. That is sweet. Dominic Hasek for the Buffalo Sabres. And that is for Andrew. Nice premium patch. Alright, guys. Last pack of Trilogy Hockey, and then we'll move on to box 2. So good luck, everyone. Larkin, Duchesne, Krug, and Andrei Kopitar. 658 of 849 for the LA Kings. Los Angeles Kings, that is Rick T. Alright, guys. Let's go to box 2 now. Good luck, everyone. All right, guys. First pack of the second box. Good luck to everyone in the break. If you guys are liking what you're seeing in Trilogy Hockey, we have more Trilogy Hockey in store. Jaspy's HobbyLand.com. Larkin, Letty, Forsberg, Joe Pavelski, actually 416 of 849 for the Sharks, and Andrew. Next pack. Whoa. Put that right there. Carlson, Eichel, Danny Sedin, and nice for the New York Rangers. That is a level 2 rookie premier auto. Jimmy Vasey, 241 of 275 for the New York Rangers. And that is Rick T. There you go, Rick. Nice auto right there. Next pack. Vladimir Tarasenko, 467 of 849 for the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis Blues, Alan Murdoch. Next one. Jamie Benn, Jaden Schwartz, Johnny Gaudreau. Nice. There is a Boston Bruins hit for Andrew D. Dayton Heinen. For the Boston Bruins, 84 of 275. For the Boston Bruins. And Andrew D. So guys, it looks like we got the 2 autos out of the way already. So there should be a premium patch in here. Or we might have another auto, who knows. Max Domi, Joe Pavelski, Braden Holtby, William Nylander, nice. Level 1, William Nylander for the Toronto Maple Leafs, 514 of 999. Toronto Maple Leafs, that is Rick T. Well, you know what? They get those for free, Brandon. They get those from the sponsor, so they don't care. John Klingberg for the Stars, 827 of 849 for the Dallas Stars. Dallas Stars, Rick T. All right, 2 packs to go. Good luck, everyone. Sam Bennett, Steven Stamkos. Nice. Jimmy Vasey jersey, level 1. 364 of 399 for the New York Rangers and Rick T. Start a little collection, Jimmy V. Alright guys, last pack of Trilogy Hockey. There's more Trilogy Hockey in the store. If you guys like what you see, JaspysHockeyLand.com. Packs are so easy to rip. At the same time, I feel like I'm going to damage the cards. Carey Price, John Klingberg, Jack Johnson. Sid the Kid, 770 of 849. Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh, that's Blues 00. Alright guys, that was a break. That was a quick 2-box Trilogy Hockey break, number 13. If you guys want to get in on number 14, it is in stores at JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.